Okay, so we're headed to the shop right now, going to get the new part. So I got this painted by Rolando at a shop called Rev Moto here in Houston. So they specialize in color matching body parts without having to blend. So he guarantees 100% color match so that we can have no issues. We don't have to blend into any other body parts, so we can paint it off the car. I just left him with a stock piece of the car that was color matched, so I just used the stock diffuser. So I left that with him, and he got to scan the color, used the color match, and painted the new body part. So super excited for this. I think it's gonna look really, really good. Here we are, still driving with this JQ Works. So far, super, super nice. Love driving with this thing. So nimble, so tiny, but all the buttons work. Everything's good. So I haven't programmed these two buttons. So these two are programmable. You can set them to whatever you want, but M1, M2, the horn, volume control down here, all the phone, cruise control, everything works good. The paddles are super nice. So super, super good, but we're gonna be there in a few minutes. So we'll see you then. So here it is, my CS hood. We got it installed. Everything's all lined up. We got the bumper lined up pretty well. It looks good. Fitment's perfect over here. Super, super good. Everything lines up really well. So looking super, super good. Super excited to get this on. Been a long time waiting for this. Just kind of completely changes the front of the car here. We're actually at the next day. I was gonna video for you guys yesterday, and then after the shop, I went to go take some photos and videos, and then I had an SD card failure. So this is OEM. I'm pretty sure it's actually the GTS model, and let me show you why. Let's open this. So, as you guys know, the OEM CS and GTS hoods have carbon on the bottom side. So as you guys can see, this is the double-sided carbon. And I actually had a buddy that just picked up one as well locally, and one of the differences we noticed is that these inner parts inside the framing, inside the support structure, on some of them it shows a carbon weave and on some of them it doesn't. So it looks like on the GTS models maybe it is, we can't really tell. But so there you are, full OEM, have that beautiful carbon weave. So we just use all the OEM latches and adjustment pins. Of course, we had to do the CS vent. You also have to do CS hood struts because the hood struts are different. And then there will be one bump stop that we need to figure out. I'm pretty sure you have to press this metal piece out. Again, it's weird. It's also a piece that's only visible on a GTS but not on a CS. So I did have the clips back here. Some of the ones from the OEM hood popped out and broke, so ordered a new one of these, new windshield washer sprayers. So when those come in, I'll go ahead and I'll get that all wired up. But otherwise, super, super happy. This looks super good. Completely changes the car. I think basically it just looks better when you look at the car. You used to have this white hood. It was just a lot of white because you already have like the frame rails here, and there's just a lot of white when you open the hood. But with the carbon, it just looks so much better. One thing that sucks is you don't shut these hoods softly. You're supposed to slam them. So let me show you how you're supposed to close them. That will never get easier. That always sucks to close the hood like that. That's how you're supposed to do it. That way you don't damage the carbon by trying to press on it or anything. If you slowly shut it and then put your hands on it and press down, you run the risk of cracking them. So don't want to do that. It just looks so good. Literally from every angle, makes the car look so much more aggressive. So good, so good. And then, quick fact that I heard about is that the OEM CS hood or GTS hood with the OEM CS lip actually provides functional aero. So who knows how much, but compared to the M Performance splitter, that flat one that goes underneath with the little center support bar, that one does absolutely nothing. But supposedly from BMW, they said the CS lip with the CS hood provides functional aero. So who knows if that's maybe just a little bit of extra cooling or whatnot. I mean, obviously it should be extra cooling for the vent, but man, it just completely changes this car. So now obviously this is fresh out of paint, so we picked it up yesterday. It was painted a few weeks ago, so it's had time to cure. So next weekend I'm gonna go, actually I'm gonna PPF it myself, but we're gonna get it PPF'd. That way we protect it from rock chips. We don't want to damage this pretty carbon hood. So we're gonna get it PPF'd and we're gonna get it protected. This week as some prep before the PPF, we're gonna go ahead and do a paint correction on it. It's still got a few little sanding marks, little stuff from body work, or from the body shop. That's typical, that's expected. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I got a few more things coming. Still waiting on some delivery. Holiday deliveries kind of suck right now, but if you enjoyed, please leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.